Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, your destination for everything two wheels. Reviews, updates, and in-depth breakdowns of the latest motorcycles in the world. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting comebacks in the middleweight supersport category, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. After a brief hiatus, Kawasaki has brought back this legendary 600 cubic centimeters machine with major updates in tech, styling, and emissions compliance. Let's dive into what makes the new ZX-6R such a big deal for sport bike lovers. Design, sharper, meaner, and track-ready. The 2026 Ninja ZX-6R brings a fresh, aggressive design language that closely mirrors Kawasaki's bigger superbikes like the ZX-10R. The bodywork has been sculpted for better aerodynamics and a meaner road presence. Sleek LED headlamps, a compact tail section, and winglet-style fairings contribute to a race-ready stance. The bike's lines are sharper, the paint scheme's more race-inspired, and everything about its aesthetic screams track-born. Whether in Kawasaki's iconic lime green or the stealthier black/gray livery, the 2026 model looks fast even when standing still. Engine and performance, classic inline-4, now €5 plus compliant. Powering the 2026 ZX-6R is the same legendary 636 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now revised to meet €5 plus emission standards. Kawasaki has managed to retain the exhilarating performance that made this bike a favorite while fine-tuning the internals to reduce emissions and improve efficiency. Expect a power output of around 122 horsepower and a redline north of 13,000 RPM, ensuring that the thrill factor remains untouched. The engine's power band is broad, delivering punchy mid-range torque and a screaming top end, perfect for both spirited street riding and track sessions. Electronics and features, Supersport goes smart. Kawasaki has taken a significant leap in electronics for the 2026 Ninja ZX-6R. Riders now benefit from a ride-by-wire throttle, allowing the addition of ride modes and adjustable traction control. The bike also comes with a bidirectional quickshifter, a must-have for seamless gear changes on the move. The new 4.3-inch full-color TFT display replaces the older analog digital setup, providing a modern interface with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and ride telemetry. ABS and multiple power modes also ensure the bike adapts well to different conditions and rider preferences. Handling and ride dynamics, razor sharp as ever. The Ninja ZX-6R has always been about precision, and the 2026 version carries that legacy forward. It still uses a twin-spar aluminum frame, but the suspension gets updated internals for better feedback and adjustability. Showa's SFFBP front forks and a fully adjustable rear monoshock keep the bike planted during aggressive cornering or braking. At just under 197 kilograms, wet weight, the ZX-6R is light, agile, and razor-sharp. Everything you expect from a top-tier supersport. Brembo-style front brakes with radial calipers ensure strong stopping power, while the refined chassis geometry provides incredible stability and turn-in confidence. Who is it for? Supersport enthusiasts and track day warriors. The 2026 Ninja ZX-6R is tailor-made for riders who crave that high-revving, track-hungry experience of a supersport, but still want to ride their bike daily. Whether you're a weekend canyon carver, a weekday commuter, or a track day regular, this bike delivers the perfect mix of speed, agility, and advanced tech. This isn't a beginner's machine. It's for serious riders who understand how to harness a high-revving 600 cubic centimeters engine and appreciate the balance a middleweight supersport offers. Conclusion: the legend returns with a vengeance. With stricter emission norms forcing many manufacturers to retire their 600 cubic centimeters supersports, Kawasaki's decision to bring back the Ninja ZX-6R is bold, and it pays off. The 2026 model is faster, smarter, and sharper than ever, keeping the spirit of pure sport bike riding alive in a rapidly changing motorcycle landscape. Kawasaki hasn't just revived a name, it's reignited a passion.
Outro, subscribe to MVP Auto Pro.
That wraps up our breakdown of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R here at MVP Auto Pro. If you're a fan of performance motorcycles, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest reviews and bike news. Until next time, ride safe, ride fast, and stay connected with MVP Auto Pro.